Hey everyone! The Huawei Band 10 and Galaxy Fit 3 are two of the most exciting fitness trackers to hit the market in 2024. Both promise a combination of advanced features, health tracking, and sleek designs. While they share some similarities, each has its unique strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we'll delve into a comparison of these two devices, exploring everything from design and display quality to health functions. The design of the Huawei Band 10 immediately stands out with its refined, premium aesthetic. Huawei has opted for a CNC-cut aluminum alloy frame, which adds sophistication and luxury. The band remains compact and lightweight, measuring 43.45 millimeters in length, 24.86 millimeters in width, and just 8.99 millimeters in thickness, weighing only 15 grams. This makes the Band 10 exceptionally comfortable for long-term wear. On the other hand, the Galaxy Fit 3 from Samsung sports a sleek and elegant design, with its casing and display performing well in scratch resistance tests. Despite this, the Galaxy Fit 3 still manages to deliver a polished and stylish appearance that complements its functionality. The Huawei Band 10 features a 1.47-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 194 by 368 pixels. While the 30 Hz refresh rate may not stand out, the display remains clear, responsive, and vibrant, with a playful panda-themed watch face that adds personality. The Galaxy Fit 3, by comparison, boasts a slightly larger 1.6-inch AMOLED display with a higher resolution of 256 by 402 pixels, resulting in a crisp and clear interface. However, one drawback is that the font size and menu layout aren't optimized for the small screen, causing text to overflow or get cut off. The Huawei Band 10 shines with its impressive range of health tracking features. It offers continuous monitoring of heart rate, SpO2, HRV, and women's cycle, while the standout is the professional sleep analysis, which includes HRV measurement. Additionally, the emotional health assistant helps manage mental well-being by suggesting relaxation techniques like breathing exercises. In contrast, the Galaxy Fit 3 includes heart rate monitoring and tracks sleep phases accurately, but it lacks HRV measurement and ECG functionality. The Huawei Band 10 stands out with its inclusion of 100 sports modes, covering a wide range of activities such as running, swimming, and climbing. Although it lacks built-in GPS, it offers 5 ATM water resistance, allowing for swimming and other water-based activities. The Galaxy Fit 3 offers 100 sports modes and automatic detection for some activities like running and cycling. However, it also lacks built-in GPS and the barometer sensor, which limits its tracking capabilities, especially for outdoor workouts. The Fit 3 also has a water resistance rating, though it's not designed for high-impact water activities like surfing or diving. Battery life is one of the strong suits of the Huawei Band 10. It offers up to 14 days of use with normal activity, and 3 days with always-on display enabled. In comparison, the Galaxy Fit 3's battery life has suffered somewhat due to the inclusion of the always-on display. With AOD on, the device lasts only about 2 days, while turning it off extends the battery life to around 13 days. Both the Huawei Band 10 and Galaxy Fit 3 offer impressive fitness tracking features, stylish designs, and robust health functions, but they cater to slightly different audiences. The Huawei Band 10 is a well-rounded fitness tracker with superior health tracking, longer battery life, and a more refined design. The Galaxy Fit 3, while also offering solid health and fitness tracking, falls short in certain areas, like the lack of advanced health features, limited app support, and reduced battery life with AOD enabled. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments, what you think about this comparison. Have a nice day and see you soon.